What is International Space Station? International Space Station is a large spacecraft in low Earth orbit. It is habitable spacecraft which Earth at an average altitude of approximately 420 kilometers to 60 miles. It serves as a unique and collaborative space laboratory, research facility and living space for astronauts and cosmonauts from various countries. What are the features of ISS? Construction and ownership. The major partners include NASA United States, Roscosmos, Russia, ESA, European Space Agency, JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and CSA, Canadian Space Agency. In 2022, Russia announced that it will pull out of ISS after 2024 and focus on building its own orbiting outpost. These agencies have contributed modules, components and resources to construct and maintain the station. Size and structure. The International Space Station is quite large with a mass of around 460 tons and a habitable volume roughly equivalent to the interior of a Boeing 747 aircraft. It consists of various interconnected modules and components including laboratories, living quarters and docking ports. Orbit and duration. It travels at 8 km 5 miles per second. This means it orbits Earth every 90 minutes. It passes over our head 60 times every 24 hours, traveling through 16 sunrises and sunsets. Missions typically last 6 months, although some crew members may stay for shorter or longer duration. International crew. The International Space Station is continuously inhabited by a rotating crew of astronauts and cosmonauts from different nations. These crew members live and work on the station for several months at a time, conducting experiments, maintaining systems, and performing various tasks necessary to keep the station operational. Why is the space station important? One of the primary purposes of the International Space Station is to conduct scientific research and experiment in the unique microgravity environment of space. Microgravity is often referred to as near zero gravity or weightlessness. Researchers from around the world use the station to study a wide range of fields including biology, physics, astronomy and earth sciences. The International Space Station has contributed to our understanding of topics such as human health in space, material science and climate change. Human beings have been living in space every day since the first crew arrived. When did the International Space Station launch? The first segment of International Space Station, the Zarya Control Module, was Russian and launched November 20, 1998. Zarya supplied fuel storage and battery power and served as a docking zone for other space vehicles arriving at the International Space Station. Later in December 1998, the US launched the Unity Node 1 module. Together, the two modules were the start of a functioning space laboratory. Over the course of 42 assembly flights, the International Space Station became what it is today. What scientific discoveries on the International Space Station have benefited life on Earth? Astronauts have conducted hundreds of scientific experiments on the International Space Station, from Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease to cancer, asthma and heart disease. It's all been studied in space. Scientists say some medical experiments are best done in space because in microgravity more like they do inside the human body, but it is difficult to recreate such conditions on Earth. There have been discoveries to benefit drug development, new water purification systems, method to mitigate muscle and bone atrophy, and those that have led innovation in food production. How long will the International Space Station be operational? Plans for the future operation of the International Space Station were thrown into uncertainty with the start of Russia's invasion of Ukraine in early 2022. Both the European Space Agency and national bodies withdrew from international collaboration with Russia. Later, Russia said it was leaving the ISS to build its own space station. Also, old and new space-faring nations want to make an independent mark on space. They include Japan, China, India and United Arab Emirates and others. The US and the Europe have said they remain committed to the International Space Station through 2030. But plans are afoot for a post-ISS world as well. NASA is almost entirely focused on Artemis program and plans to populate the Moon. European Space Agency is working toward a new space station which it is calling Starlab. What is near zero gravity or weightlessness? Weightlessness, also known as zero gravity, is the complete or near complete absence of the sensation of weight. It's a state in which the apparent gravity effect is zero. What is JAXA? The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency is a Japanese government agency that conducts research and development in the fields of aviation and space exploration. JAXA is responsible for all civilian space activities in Japan.